You track your macros and finish a massive chicken meal, but within minutes, you're slumped over your desk, rubbing your temples in deep exhaustion. You prioritize protein to trigger muscle synthesis and sustain your physical energy. Yet shortly after eating, your muscles feel heavy and your mental clarity vanishes. While it's tempting to blame a standard food coma, a carbohydrate crash, or slow digestion, the underlying cause is more targeted. Your liver is straining under a silent metabolic bottleneck because your protein intake has outpaced your body's waste disposal capacity. This bottleneck floods your brain with a highly toxic byproduct gas known as ammonia. The protein coma represents a state of acute, self-inflicted chemical toxicity that stalls your neurological performance. To find the source of the fog, we have to look at the cellular level. The liver operates as your body's primary non-stop waste filtration engine. Every time your body metabolizes protein for fuel or muscle repair, the process releases highly toxic nitrogen waste particles. Because ammonia is lethal to tissues, your liver runs a critical biochemical conveyor belt, the Urea Cycle. It packs toxic nitrogen into safe, water-soluble urea. But with excessive protein and lacking cofactors, this machinery stalls. Unneutralized ammonia spills into systemic circulation. Without an optimized internal disposal system, a high-protein meal sends unfiltered, tissue-damaging toxins directly to your central nervous system. Once the unneutralized ammonia leaves the liver, it heads straight for the brain. Most metabolic waste products are blocked by the blood-brain barrier, but ammonia possesses the ability to breach this filter effortlessly. Inside the brain, protective astrocytes attempt to neutralize the toxic gas. They capture the ammonia and convert it into glutamine. This process draws massive amounts of water inside, causing the cells to physically swell like balloons and press against neighboring neurons. This expansion triggers localized neuroinflammation and disrupts the delicate balance of your neurotransmitters. The resulting physical compression literally chokes out your brain's mitochondrial ATP energy production. The dense mental fog following a meal results from a mechanical shutdown of your brain's internal hardware, caused by defensive cellular swelling. You can clear this metabolic traffic jam and protect your brain by following a 3-step protocol to reboot your waste pathways. First, you can accelerate the liver's conveyor belt by using Urea Cycle primers. Taking bioavailable L-ornithine and L-citrulline before high-protein meals provides the fuel needed to neutralize ammonia on contact. Second, introducing an alpha-ketoglutarate, AKG buffer provides a molecular sponge. AKG protects the brain matrix by binding directly to excess nitrogen in the bloodstream and converting it into harmless compounds. Finally, you must elevate your water and electrolyte intake. The kidneys require high fluid volume to filter and flush the newly packaged urea out of the system. By supporting these 3 clearance pathways, you can eliminate protein-induced brain fog while maintaining a high-performance diet. Instead of enduring the post-meal crash, you can experience sharp mental clarity and sustained physical energy immediately after eating. Building an elite physique requires an elite waste disposal system to handle the metabolic byproducts of your training. True metabolic mastery is achieved by optimizing your internal exhaust system to match the high-octane fuel you consume.